Today we're going fishing. This is Zaya Bean.
Awesome clips here. Ha, ha.
So this is our fish. Zaya's making a hole for them. Well, Grandma Andre and Uncle Saj, they're going fishing.
I think Rosa caught one. Oh,
He didn't. So because the coast took our original chill spot, we created a makeshift chill spot. The sun is coming from this direction. So we just got a wooden stick, 2 thatch branch, and now we have a little shade in here.
Yeah, but if there were more, if more touch trees would have just fallen down, could make a hole in case so we could like move with the sun.
Right. And we could, so if the sun come over, we won't have to lift it up and put it somewhere else
We could have just sit down and
all day.
yeah, while they're just
The thing is a bush shed.
yeah.
Your school's a shelter, so you're not supposed to pop down.
Not a shelter, no.
It's a shelter. Alright, so if you go past the cows in that area, there's a touch tree that fell down. But I'm afraid of the cow them. I'm not bad at them. But there's a touch tree over there. So once they move to get water, because they have a routine close to 12 o'clock and so, they're gonna go and get water. So once they do, I'm gonna go in that area and get some touch, and then we're going to do some more work on our little tent area. Right, Bean?
Yeah. Oh my god, I stepped on chewing gum. Whose chewing gum is this?
Chewing gum.
Yes.
Over here.
Yes.
Get another fish coming in. Come on, let's go. Let's go get that fish.
Let's go.
We're gonna record most of the fish. What other fish is this being?
I think it's dog teeth.
Right.
Whoa.
Me I talk about them, so I have to tip on them because you don't know when them are go flick.
I dog teeth are the frixy one like this. See, you see like him pint it out? You
Yeah.
just press down upon it tight while it lift up at best time. No, sorry, keep it long, don't make it go sideways.
You man not even cook it in mackerel.
Jesus Christ, I'm gonna get this fish.
He failed. Be careful.
Dog teeth, them are always the frisky one. Then bite up, it bait. Yeah.
Yeah, push it, Joyce. Whoa! You see that, guys? She just push it on the lung. The lung, and it just like,
You're really frisky, man.
I know, right? Calm down. You want?
TikTok video make already. Alright. So, is it in the angle? Are you seeing it?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
It's gone. It's the 4th fish we caught today, you guys. And you guys could see I'm trying to dig something for the fishes to stay in.
Alright. So the hurricane took this one. What we can do is take some touch.
All we can do is just drag off the leaf.
Take about 8 touch off this. And we have it to shade ourselves.
Yeah, but we have to make it strong.
We're not going to deal with that till we come back.
Yeah.
We're going to try break off the touch off of that, yeah?
No, only will do it. We are.
See my shit here, Anila, I can't use.
Here's a machete that you could
Me
use.
come with it. Alright, we got a machete. I'm going to give Anila because
It's called
Him-
machete.
Anila going to get like the touch leaf
Yeah.
so we can
Only.
make our shade.
Okay, OJ. Bruh.
It's time too hot to look bait.
I know, right? Like, baits are gonna be way underground. Where they don't feel any sun.
Or they have a good location. Yeah, really.
Today our bra is showing.
It's probably too damp.
Oh, for you, maybe. Ow! Oh my God. What happened?
I cut my finger.
And what?
It's hard to get bait because it's 12 o'clock now. The place not as damp, so they now go there at the top. That's my problem right now.
It's like where
Alright, here's
it's more a short.
Oh my God, none of it. Alright, we can't get no bait.
Way underground.
It's hard to get bait at this time, at this hour, because the sun too hot.
Yes.
Maybe an expert or a professional on fishing would be able to get it, but not me.
This one.
Hmm?
We'll help. We'll help.
Hard pitch up.
I don't know how John do it, but then this a door.
What should they try?
Stay at here, stay so far from green one or brown one. Alright.
Yeah, that. We need something to say. Don't you want us to be brown again? Although we're not black, like on you.
No black.
Oh yeah, Blondie.
Dark brown.
Alright, let me zoom in. Oh, it's not brown for you. See, it's not brown for you.
If you zoom, we can't edit. Wait, let me see if the green one easier for the than the brown one. Because if the green one,
It looks easier. What?
you need to also. You put the effort to get inside.
Yeah, man. We need the
Yeah, exactly the same.
It's up.
What's wrong?
Just fix it. We got it. We got it.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, guys.
We're not actually
Easier.
easier.
No. Really easy. Today, two horses, a herd of horses was loose in my backyard this morning. A herd of horses, and it's the first time. Herd of horses. Herb. I got it. I am bouncing on the floor. Hello, you want to come here and break me down?
What you call? Yeah, guys.
You feel like this is your food? Your foodie? This your food?
What is a call your feisty? Honey.
No boy.
Ay, girl. No, no, for your
Double to me. Oh, to God.
Come there, come. Come there, come. Alright. Catch this, catch this.
Yeah. We are gonna have cold food soup.
That's on the front of the phone.
5 grand a month.
Put some over, but no one want stick to go across. To go on top of this and on top of that, so then carry down punish. before that, you know, I'm going to stay properly. Okay, I'll stick that. So I'll stick it.
You sure that might work?
Who?
Yeah.
The man will come.
Alright, here. Alright. So like that, so. Oh, yes, so. I think it's too close, though. Yeah, too close.
Take your time, man.
Bigger stick.
I can't wait till we done because sun not burn me up.
Alright.
Can't put one inside the castle.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking.
Okay, can you
Do that can't beat me. Mama, the air guys have to say this.
have a slide down like this?
How about you put it in the middle? Yeah.
But
Like
it's
that.
alright.
You said that for how much, you know? More.
Seriously.
Still have two. We still have one more broken one.
Oh, we have more.
Two more. One and one
Come
broken
here,
one.
Sabine. Stop for me. So where did that know? Yeah.
This have to put
Put
on
it
that
to the
side,
side.
that there.
We can put it two over there, so.
So this one to come over here, so above the one. Art waiting, he said.
We can't use the one this still, you know.
Wait.
We can't use the black one still.
Yeah. This one come over.
We can't bend the bottom, put it up top. Shade, you call them and come closer and closer, you know.
You call them?
Yes.
I want it to something.
No, eat it up. We won't let you eat our house.
Who gonna be bodyguard?
But this one are bright. We'll take 2 steps
Hey!
closer.
Hey!
Oh, girl, see man here, maybe.
Be them now. It's how close him a come to the house.
Like that. On a pop style.
Watch the one that don't this out, watch you.
He just a look, so when we not look, he
First,
just
I take
yammer.
the shade. Now we have built shade, they want to go
They
eat
take
the
the shade on
over
this
there.
stuff?
That's why we're not
That's how
down
we
there.
come up here.
Yes.
I wonder why we be up here.
Oh my gosh.
We don't want to know when you know.
Cow. Zaya, let me welcome you to our house. So this is our ice bucket. No, so not friend is so then. This is our ice bucket, our book, our juice, our cornflakes and stuff. Come guys, come inside. Let's take a rest till the cold and come go run your tight box. Yay!
And you're nice. Come in on the hill.
Rocks.
We can't lie down.
Not true.
Show
It look nice picture. Look like we in a wilderness. Hold on. For this candle. Found something else.
So we look through a window and we see the sequoia come closer and closer to it.
This big walkless dry head.
Hold on. Now we look. You guys, I'm going for the weapon.
Look how walk.
After we work so hard to build a house,
And
the cow.
they take
This
a shade.
girl.
They think we shady and them a look far for we.
After then take we shady from we down there so. We go bush, go chop thatch, for build a little hut and they want to eat. They might come first if they can't eat with hut too. All of a sudden they want in a sun. After a morning they take we shady.
So we prosper that.
We have machete ready. The one that see me take up his machete in my runway. Watch him. Watch me here, yo. Shade, we have cow back soup tonight. Chop off the cow the head top.
Cow back
cow
soup.
head tonight.
Go back soon.
May I eat that the one day go? How you cook that?
Come look power. So the cow them have their routine. They go in the water, running my hours here because it's hot. Grandma usually move and go over tiki pan, but apparently Uncle Sarge convinced her to stay here even though it's cold there. So let's see if she catch no fish after this. So this is the view.
Just go down. Don't keep them fish too much. Where's some if the carry line come?
Can't just something about this one. And see the window here. Here's how we just look through for what you call them will come. We're gonna
handle the fish them. Now watch them in case they get hard.
okay.
This was hard. This hard.
So now we're leaving. Hi guys, it's Editing Shade here. We caught 16 fish in total that day.